Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to put a BMW X5 in neutral without starting. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Next, get inside the vehicle and close all doors. Locate the gear selector lever, typically found in the center console. This process is crucial for moving your vehicle when the engine cannot be started. With the parking brake on, press the Start/Stop button once without touching the brake pedal. This will activate the vehicle's electrical system. Now, firmly hold the gear selector lever forward towards the dashboard for about 3 seconds. You should feel a slight resistance or hear a soft click. Release the lever after this duration. After releasing the gear selector, look at your dashboard. The gear indicator should now clearly display the letter N, confirming the vehicle is in neutral. Only release the parking brake when you are absolutely ready to move the vehicle. Remember, once in neutral, the BMW X5 can roll freely, so maintain control and be aware of your surroundings. Always prioritize safety. If your BMW X5 is on any incline, even a slight one, use wheel chocks to prevent unintended movement. Never leave the vehicle unattended while it is in neutral, as it could roll away. This method is for temporary situations, like towing or moving the car a short distance. Remember to check the description for the Owala water bottle link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.